Welcome back to Crafty Nurse Q to another cash stuffing video, and this week I am cash stuffing for week 4 in August, and this is my paycheck breakdown. This is what I have coming out for this week. Haven't transferred it here yet, but this is the worksheet for this week's of cash stuffing. And I will let me show you my quick recap since it's a budgeting video as well. Quick recap of how I did last week. So I did end up, out of my 545 variable spending budget, I spent 587, and I didn't put it up last week, but it was 531 for spending, and I had given myself a budget of 585. And this is where the spending went. Let's see, nothing on the 17th. On the 18th, just gas. On Tuesday the 19th, though, that was a birthday, 175.26. On Wednesday, I spent 103.77, not including the bills in this. But on the 21st, it was 123.82. On the 22nd, 46.14. On the 23rd, it was 101.54. And then also I go in and I categorize everything and make sure that they are pretty much coming out to the same amount. So I do for the gas, home, food, spending, and self-care, whatever I did here, I also put it in the notes that are here so that I can know exactly where that cash is going for the week. And that is where I come up with, because it's the variable spending that you can change, and that is what I put up here in my expenses category. And this information will just get transferred here for the cash stuffing. All right, but we're going to go ahead and get started though with the cash stuffing. I'm going to go ahead and start with my variable spending wallet. Right, and let's just get started right here. Okay, and since this week the money is running kind of funny, let me go ahead and go to the sinking funds. I am saving, I have $10 for savings today. Let's see. Let's put this here. $10 there. Okay, so now let's do for my sinking funds. I am doing just the kids things for today, and this one is getting, they're all getting 10 apiece today, the 3 that I'm doing today. So let me add a 10 here. I'll mark off 2 of these, so I should be at 180, 20, 40, 60, 81, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180. Okay, so that one is okay. You know, they did most of the spending, like it was their birthdays, the teenager's birthday last week. So we did the movies and did things with friends, you know, the different things, you know, you do for teenagers. But it was all gravy. Let me see. This one has 20, 40, 60, 81, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 185. Okay, place that money back here, and then I'll make sure I do one for kids stuff wallet. I'm gonna leave this one in here. Okay, and these dashboards, they are on my shop. I like them. I laminated them to make sure that, because I wanted a way to just be able to just mark it off as I'm going with my savings, and this is working pretty good. So I did, this one is in increments of 5, but I have some that I made up the 10s, 20s, you know, all the different increments that you would want, or I feel like I want to just make it a custom. So this one should have 150, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 150. Okay. And that is it for this binder. I'm probably going to be doing a condensing coming up. Let's move to a month ahead wallet. So this one is the month ahead and debt snowball. Okay, so for the debt snowball, we are going to place $40. Let's see where we are. At 120 now. Add a 40, it should put us at 160. $20, $40, $60, $81, $120, $140, $150, $160 for this one. Okay. All right, and the month ahead fund. Okay, so 20, 40, 60 is going towards month ahead. And remember, I put this new dashboard here to see where I am. So the next highest one was the subscriptions. That's funded, which means I'm now at the cell phone. So I need $230 for cell phone. Let's see how much we have in here now. And I have 60 that I'm adding. So did I say 250? I need to change it to 2. No, I need to change this to 250, don't I? Yeah, I do. Let's see where we are. 20, 40, 60, 81, 120, 140, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 44, 35. So that's 235. So at 250, this is done. I just need 250 in here. Let's see if I can get 250. See if I can get 250, then the rest is going to go to the next highest one. Okay, let's do that. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 230, 240, 250. Okay, so whatever that is, it's going to go to, because this is now done. I like doing it this way. Once I started doing it where it was from the lowest to the highest, it seemed like I started really getting somewhere. So that's 250 now in there. And I'm going to make a note there, because now this money, this needs a fully funded placeholder, which they are all up here. Trying to get my life organized, y'all. Okay, so this one is funded. Excellent. Let's place the money here. Cell phone. Okay, so let's place this. I'm placing this in the fully funded placeholder there. And then the other thing is I have to now Let me make a note that I change this to 250. I'm just changing everything, which is ridiculous. Put it here, 250, and then leave a check mark. Okay, give me a second. Let me get my calculator. I don't know what I was thinking. I wasn't thinking I was going to finish this today. Let's see, where are we? So we should have 250 plus the 30 plus 25 plus 75 plus 180, and that is 560. So that's what we should have in here total. And we have 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, 560. That's the correct amount in there. All right, so we're going places. Okay, and so then the next highest one is car insurance. Okay, $375 for so car insurance. We're going to start funding that one, and it needs $375 to get done. All right, let's go here to the car insurance envelope. See how much we have already, because I had started funding these the other way. Remember, I was just putting 5 a week. So now I already have 20, 40, 60, 70. And now I'm about to put all this. Okay, so what is this now? 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's 115 in here. These are worth $6 a piece. So there should be 19 of these filled in. And that's 6, 12. This will be 18. All right, and that's 19. Okay, so that is good. So we are doing good with these. Okay, I'm thankful, grateful, and we are all blessed. And I am. What's going to be coming up is going to be my savings challenge video, because this may be a little off because I did another savings challenge and I haven't had a chance to edit it and put it up yet. So stay on the lookout and just check out that video once it comes up, and make sure you're going in and getting your freebies so that you can be saving your money, saving your coins. A little bit counts. All right, until the next time I see you guys, stay blessed, and you guys have a great day. Bye.